Some days you feel like yourself. Other days, you're running on empty and can't explain why. Your body came with a blueprint. MyGevity helps you finally understand it, so you can take care of your health without guesswork. We analyze your DNA, your blood, and your biological age. Over 20,000 genes and nearly 200 biomarkers to show you what's really going on inside. By bringing your genetics and labs together, our proprietary AI turns complex science into clear, actionable steps you can follow. So when genetic factors affect your health, like hormone imbalance, weight, or high blood pressure, you know exactly what to focus on first. From nutrition guidance to clean, physician-formulated supplements and lifestyle recommendations built around your goals, you can take back control of your health. And when you're ready to take it further, our certified Genomics Coaches are there to walk you through it, answer your questions, and help you feel sure about your next move. We make it easy to understand your body and take action. Because we're not here to just add years to your life. We're here to bring life to your years.